Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie crust from scratch, updated. Gather flour, salt, sugar, cold butter, ice water, and a mixing bowl to start. Use a food processor or fingertips to cut butter into pea-sized pieces for a flaky texture. Chill the dough at least 1 hour to relax gluten. Roll between floured sheets to avoid sticking. Par-bake briefly to prevent a soggy bottom, then cool slightly before filling. Start by measuring ingredients precisely for consistent crust results. Keep butter and water very cold to create steam pockets that produce flakiness. Mix just until dough comes together so gluten does not toughen the crust. Divide dough into 2 discs and wrap tightly to prevent freezer burn if storing. Chill for at least 1 hour to relax the dough before rolling. Handling minimally keeps layers and texture intact. Handle dough gently and avoid over-kneading to preserve tender texture. Rolling between sheets prevents sticking and keeps the dough cold while creating uniform thickness. For blind baking, line crust with parchment and fill with pie weights or dried beans to avoid bubbles. Bake until edges are golden and center looks set, but not fully brown. Cooling briefly before filling prevents a collapsed filling and helps maintain a crisp bottom.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.